Okay, so looking at YM, we're here still in this bullish channel. We did have a nice rejection off all-time high. That could be what we are looking for to go ahead and push down here, create a retracement, and then create a lower low. You can see this lower low section lines up perfectly with our trend line, and it's like in the middle of the gap being filled. So this is the drop that could push us towards there. And then we see when this line is retested, whether it bounces off of this or breaks and keeps going lower. And then I did put a fib here from yesterday's FOMC drop, well, from all-time highs drop, which is right here to here, almost 1,000 points. You could also just put it right here on the FOMC, like the start of the fib. I just want to get the whole drop because technically we did drop all the way from here, just it took a little bit longer until it fully dropped here at 2. And then you can see we could get a pullback into one of these 3 zones. If they hold as resistance, and they could push us to create lower lows targeting this area. Now I did want to enter here. Obviously this move is already done. So you can see we have the session highs right here. Asia high here. London high up here. The session lows all lined up right here. Was a little bit higher right here, and then pre-market low New York's could probably push up to here. It looks like we'll probably be in those buys, honestly. Let me just put the sells already. We have 4 minutes left, so we're good on time. That will get put into those cells, but let's just put it anyways. And if we look at the buys, our target could line up perfectly with this mid zone right here, which is right in between the 786 and the 618. So, I would be looking to close around here, possibly trailing the stops, between 75 to 100 points, seeing how volume is. And then if the move happens early, again, what I will do is a limit order, because I'm pretty confident, like what's been happening lately is, like I said, if the move happens early, break the move like this at 929. As soon as it's like 930, it flips, taps you in, because the zone will hold very strongly. It doesn't like break through like this, which is then we would catch it like coming back up. So it hasn't been doing that. It has been holding pretty strongly, taps it in, and then bounces right off the TP. Again, that's not to say that it happens every time or anything like that, but from my back testing, what I've been seeing the past few weeks, it has been doing that. Did it? No. That's only if the move happens early. Limits are only, you can only do limits when price already passed your entry. Buy stop is when it's underneath, right? Like this, like a stop order is when it's underneath and you'll catch it breaking. Limit order is when the move already happened, it passed your entry, and you're waiting for it to like come down, tap you in, and go again. I know, I thought you were gonna wait for break on pull one. I'm not gonna, no, that's if the move starts happening early. If the move doesn't happen early, I'll just treat it the same. And again, I don't want to enter here right on London high because there's not that clear space here. We could do something like this and then, take you out and then maybe break it. I'd rather enter on the very next zone, which is the hourly zone, because it's a stronger zone. So if it breaks here, then we, for sure we should be getting to TP. And I did lower my risk, so I'm risking half of yesterday. What I'm doing is that every day I lower the risk. That way I never, if we lose one day, I never lose what I lost yesterday. Okay, we're about to start. Okay, go enter the buys. Yeah, I got put in pretty quickly. Okay, very nice. Keep pushing. It's a little volatile. Okay, there we go. Going to break even. Oh, it might take me out. Don't take me out. Come on, keep going, keep going. There we go. Okay. Oh, it took me out. Yeah, it took me out. Failed to break. Did it ever get to 1-to-1? Barely by 1 point. Saved me though, because it's like it almost touched stop loss. So break even day, not terrible. Look, oh yeah, it saved us. Yep. Oh, well, at least we saved our risk. So that's why after 50 points, if you're around there, like 50 points, 40 points. If it turns around after that, yeah, it's probably gonna most likely hit stop loss. Maybe now it'll make the move after hit the stop loss, but yeah, at least protected capital. It's been a green week so far. We still have tomorrow. So again, what I'll do tomorrow, same risk as today, which is half of what I made yesterday. That way, worst case, if I do lose, I don't lose all of yesterday's profits. I'll only lose like half. So that's what I'm been doing lately, you know, for the past few weeks. Obviously you grow the accounts a little bit slower, but it's less of like one step forward, one step back, one step forward, one step back, you know what I mean? Because when you risk the same, if you get a 1-to-1 yesterday and then you lose today, then you lost what you won yesterday, and it's like you didn't even trade yesterday. So I'd rather not have that, but whatever, it is what it is for today. Break even, save this. I'll go ahead and post a breakdown. And yeah, I'll be back tomorrow. Hope you have a great rest of your day. See you tomorrow.